Glad to have you guys here again today. And what you're going to be looking at under the chart pattern is double top. The previous day, we learned about double bottom, right? And I so much believe that you've taken your time to check your charts and then see previous candlestick that has formed double bottom. So today we're going to go into double top. Security within the concept of an uptrend. The first keyword here is uptrend, okay? And as the most recent swing high, equal or nearly equal to the previous swing high. Practical use. Technical analysts will use double tops to begin trying to find new selling opportunities, as well as avoid buying the asset until a new one buying setup is formed. Okay, so here we use it for selling opportunities, and then we actually go on an uptrend. You want to see it at least the end of an uptrend, like the extreme end of an uptrend, before you can see this kind of opportunity. Okay, so let's take our part and then draw this out. We all know it forms on higher time frame or lower time frame as well, but I wouldn't say maybe a very big time frame. Just use 30 minutes time frame, and then you see your double top formed here. It's going to form something of this nature, and then to the downside. This double top here is a confirmation for us that there is going to be a selling opportunity. If this is a very strong resistance, or newly formed strong resistance as well. Resistance is being formed, and then you see the market sold a bit and then go back there to retest the same resistance and then start selling massively. This is what we call the double top. And then what you should look for is a selling opportunity. All right, here there's going to be a confirmation, like a mini support to be broken, a mini support to be broken, and then you'll be able to have a confirmation. At least go to 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame to check out this mini support to be broken. You're going to see it form some certain candles, and then you will be able to see vividly what's happened in the chart. Okay, and let us see in our real life charts. Let's see how it has happened, and let's see how it worked out. The double top, uptrend, double top, uptrend. Don't take this as a double top. Actually work here, like it work here as okay, and then we have it sold again and sold. But let's check out real one. I want us to check out like very great one that we're going to be so glad to see, because even once you have a very good example, can you guys see something here? There's a what? There's a uptrend starting from here, okay, ending here, right? And then we have it here because it's the first one. I'm asked to repeat, and then it's the second one, right? Can you see that? And the market's firstly, sold it to some extent, some, at least some good pips, and then reverse back to test the zone and then start coming down again. This is simply double top. This is simply double top, a very vivid example of it. So I'm going to show you the entry, and let's go on lower time frame, at least 5 minute time frame. Let's check it out. Sorry guys, let's check it out. Hopefully we find it soon. Okay, here we are. So because you're going to enter, because if you don't have any confirmation, you can't enter a trade. I hope you know that. Don't just feel like, don't feel like trading has a rule. Don't feel like, if you feel like it can actually make you lose your money, don't feel like enter until not until you have a a great confirmation. Okay, so we have this mini resistance here that was broken. Yes, the mini support was broken here, and then your first target should be to the next level of resistance. This is the fourth one. TP1 is going to be a TP1 to be realistic. This can be a TP2, and then have it TP3. This can be a TP3. Take profit 3. You want to be very, very realistic with yourself. Very realistic. All this one, don't get concerned about it. No, they might actually come back there, but still, you can't tell if the market will reverse back or something. But this is a very good example of what I'm just saying. Broke it because we already have it here before, even though we have a lot of range here, and then the market broke to the downside after breaking the support here. Okay, and then we have tested again, broke it. If you're going to have your SL is going to be at the high of these previous candles. Where is the high? Let me delete this. Where is the high? We have the high here. This is the highest candle that ever formed here. Then like a peep, and then you have your SL here, and then you target down here. Do we see the analysis now? So double top, double bottom, these two chart pattern are very, very essential to know, guys, please, because there is no way you always find it anywhere in the market. I don't want to know anywhere in the market. So if you actually just stick to understanding it, and then you know how to enter the market with it, it's going to really help you. I've used this several times as well for confirmations, for more confirmations. So don't let it get twisted for you to understand, because see something of this nature here as well. Double top, you see that we always have it everywhere. See it again here when the market creates a almost equal stuff in the market, and then you're going to sell back at that. Exactly, just like talking about this resistance of a thing. This is a very great resistance, and then the market has been rejecting back from there. That's why I say applying the concept of support and resistance to anything you do in trading is going to help you a lot. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch, guys. Love you all. Subscribe, like, comment. Thank you very much. We'll meet again tomorrow.